Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Negril International Airport. Now it was announced recently that the government is going to be building a new airport. They are no longer going to be expanding the Negril aerodrome. So this is what you call a game changer for Negril. Game changer. Negril is now going to have the third international airport in Jamaica. We have one in Ocho Rios, but it cannot land a 737 or a 747. So we don't consider. Negril will have the fourth international airport in Jamaica, a real international airport, an airport that can land the biggest of planes. It won't be constrained to like what's happening at the Ian Fleming International Airport. It will be able to land the planes that can land at Norman Manley and Sangster International. So that is why it is now a game changer. The airport is going to be located 15 minutes from the hotels in Negril. 15 minutes. You can take a flight into Negril and be at your airport in 15 minutes. And there are a lot of hotels are under construction on the western side of the island between Negril and Hanover. So this airport will serve those areas. For instance, the Princess Resort in Negril. Sorry, the Princess Resort being built, it's listed as Negril, but it's Green Island in Hanover. It's a much shorter distance from the Negril International Airport to Green Island than it is from Montego Bay to Green Island. So that's just an example. So this is definitely going to put Negril on the map. Tourism. It's going to, Negril was already on the map, but it's going to enhance the appeal of Negril to tourists now. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this new venture. The Airports Authority of Jamaica has identified a site for the establishment of the country's fourth international airport, which is to be located in Negril, Westmoreland. The development follows the recent announcement by Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness for the establishment of an international airport in the resort town. President and Chief Executive Officer of the AAJ made the disclosure at a press briefing. He explained that the directive given to the AAJ by the government was to determine the extent to which the Negril Aerodrome could be upgraded to an international airport, and consultants were hired to develop a master plan to transform the facility. We engaged consultants to do the necessary studies, and out of those studies, it has emerged that the present aerodrome is not suitable for development of a major international airport. Taking flights using aircraft the size of a Boeing 737, which is now the most common aircraft utilized by airlines for transport, Mr. Diedrich said. He said that having done the research in the Negril area, the consultants have located an alternative site, which is within 15 to 20 minutes of the tourism belt and the Negril 7 Mile Beach. Mr. Diedrich stated that plans are now being crafted for the development of this international airport, which is expected to ease some of the pressure off the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. This is to alleviate the challenges that tourists flying into Montego Bay face getting into Negril, a long journey which at times can become longer depending on traffic and road conditions, he noted. The president and CEO contended that the establishment of the facility will augur well for the growth of Western Jamaica. In addition to catering to tourism traffic for the Negril facilities and properties, we poised it that an airport in that part of Jamaica will also open up the western part of Jamaica to various forms of future economic development, he noted. Mr. Diedrich said it could also be an alternative for persons in the parishes of St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Hanover, and even St. James. That's the power that's the power of that airport as we see it. And when time comes and the government gives the necessary approval to move into the construction phase, I'm pretty certain that Jamaica will be happy to hear that announcement, he added. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.